Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, back at it, another video. It's been a year since the release of the Baja Blast flavors as bottles or cans. But guess what's back? Baja Blast in a bottle. Let's see if it tastes any different. I don't, I don't actually like that flavor. I think it's kind of gross. But they released something new today. Baja Mango Jam. Mango flavored, obviously. And I got my hands on some limited edition Dr. Pepper, so we'll be trying that too. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the Baja Jam, because easy for me to close. At the time of this recording, I have 5 drinks on me right now. I have Mountain Dew Spark, Royal Crown, limited edition Dr. Pepper, Baja Blast, and Mango Jam, of course. So, let's try Mango Jam. Smells pretty good, smells pretty good. Whoa, actually, whoa. Tastes amazing. What was that? Excuse me. That tastes amazing. That is really good. The flavor is strong. Very strong. It hits you. I just brushed my teeth, so it might not taste as good as it truly is, but yeah. And next up, we got Baja Blast. This one was sealed tight. I really like the can. The can's really nice. Let's go. Grab all the Baja flavors. Enter to win new treasure. New exclusive flavor? I'll check the Mountain Dew website later. Let's go. Wow. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I forgot, what flavor is it? Oh, tropical lime. It does not taste like lime, though. That does not taste like lime. And finally, Dr. Pepper Dark Berry Bash. I love Dr. Pepper. Don't like dark berry, but we'll try it. That just tastes like Dr. Pepper with a little bit hint of berry, and I like that. It's not too strong. It's not too weak. The Dr. Pepper's kept in there, so pretty good. So, yeah, it's good. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.